Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chile relleno soup that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious caldo de chile rellenos, these are the ingredients. I have tomato bouillon, fresh queso fresco, eggs, chile poblanos, half an onion, potato, tomato, zucchinis, carrots, and of course our cauliflower. Let's get ready. Let's prepare this amazing soup at home. So let's get started. I want to start here by roasting the chile poblanos. We are going to roast every single one until they are nice and roasted. Once they're roasted from both sides, then we're going to put them in a little baggie. We're going to let them sweat, and then I'll show you how we're going to take the skin off and the seeds off. This is where the magic begins. Here I am going to remove the seeds, and I'm going to take all the skin off. Remember, when you roast your chile poblanos, do not rinse them. Leave them as is. Just take the skin off, and once they're off, you are ready to fill it with your queso fresco. Any kind of queso fresco will do. Look at this. Be very generous with your queso fresco. Fill them really good because this is a delicious Mexican recipe of chile rellenos en caldo. Of course, this time I am adding cauliflower. And this chile relleno soup comes out delicious every time. Once they're nice and filled, I'm going to use my stand mixer. And here I am going to start adding all the veggies. I'm going to start with the zucchinis. And you want to cut your veggies almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. I'm adding the zucchinis, the carrots, the onion, the purple onion or white onion. You decide. I have one tomato that I'm going to just chop. This is a very easy recipe. I try to do my recipes very easy so that you really make this amazing caldo de chile rellenos at home. The potatoes are really large, which I'm going to start slicing like that and then cutting them in cubes. In this cold weather, you really enjoy this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. Once you have all your veggies, you're going to add your tomato bouillon, and then you're going to add just enough water to cover them. Once they are in here, leave them like that. Don't put them on the stove. I have the whole head of the cauliflower, and I'm going to get the rosettes out slowly. The center I'm not going to use, and I'm going to put it aside. I have my egg whites and the egg yolks, and now I am ready to blend them until they are nice and fluffy. This is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes in my stand mixer, but of course you could use the hand mixer or do it by hand. But I have the stand mixer, so it's gonna take about 4 to 5 minutes in order for the egg whites to be nice and stiff. Let me show you. When you have them nice and fluffy, just like that, then you are ready to add your egg yolks. I am going to add the egg yolks, and I am going to mix one more time just to incorporate the egg yolks into the egg white. You're going to notice that it's going to change color. It's going to be like a pale yellow, and that's when you know that the mixture is ready so that you could really cover your chile rellenos. Look at this. You could see those peaks. And now let's create and let's make these chile rellenos. Add your chilies one at a time. Your oil needs to be nice and hot so that the egg mixture really stays on the chile poblano. Add a little bit of oil on the top, and then you're ready to flip. Look at this. Look how easy it is to make chile rellenos at home. And this amazing soup is really going to warm you up. Once they are golden from both sides, then I am going to continue with the rest of the chile rellenos. Look at this. They are nice and covered. The filling is really tucked in into the chile poblano. And of course, I am going to add the rest of the egg mixture and add some Mexican blend cheese. You could add queso fresco too, but I don't have any more of queso fresco, so I'm going to add the Mexican blend cheese right into it. Look at this. I am going to cover it until everything is covered with the egg mixture. Don't worry, this is going to come out amazing. This is the best part. This egg with the amazing filling. I'm going to get it nice and crispy. And once it's nice and crispy, I am going to remove it. Look at this. It looks amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this amazing recipe. Of course, I'm going to lay everything on some napkins to get the excessive oil out. And here I added the pot with the veggies. I am going to cook it for about 20 minutes until everything is really fork tender. And once it's fork tender, I am going to start adding the cauliflower. After the 20 minutes, look at this. Now I am ready to add the cauliflower, and I am ready to add the chile poblanos. After you add this, just let it cook in for about 10 minutes and then it's done. Don't overcook your cauliflower or your chile rellenos. Just 10 more minutes and then they are ready to be served. You could serve them with white rice, Mexican rice, or even just like that with tortillas, corn tortillas. Like I said, 10 minutes only, and then your caldo is ready for you to enjoy. After the 10 minutes, look at this. I am ready to serve. I'm going to turn off the stove, and I am ready to enjoy this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video with your family, with your neighbors, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Of course, thank you for all your support. Happy New Year's. And I hope that everything goes your way and you eat delicious with your beautiful family. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. I know that you guys are going to love. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Be generous with your cheese. The cauliflower is al dente. It's not overcooked. Amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.